friends, today Team Exhibition Showcase is covering the Analytica Anacon India, India Lab Expo and the Pharma Pro and Pack Expo 2024, which has kick-started from September 26 to 28 at the Hightex Exhibition Center in the city of Hyderabad, a city known for its pharmaceutical excellence. Well, this event is featuring more than 500 exhibitors from over 14 countries, and the whole spectrum of technologies are coming under one roof, covering a wide ambit of industries like life sciences, pharmaceutical, laboratory technology and packaging. So if you are an enthusiast in this industry, if you are working and a trade professional in this industry, you have to visit this event and understand what's unfolding in the world of laboratory technology and pharmaceuticals. Well friends, Team Exhibition Showcase is here on site and we are going to talk to the exhibitors. We are going to show you the glimpses of this event and speak to the organizer of this event to understand the major highlights of this event. Stay tuned to Exhibition Showcase because we bring to you the latest updates from the world of exhibitions across the globe. So subscribe to our channel and stay updated. Come with me. Day 2 and I am going to speak to the exhibition organizer, understand from them what are the key highlights of this event. I have with me Ms. Avisha Desai, who is the business unit head and member of management board at Messe München India. What a grand show. I believe this is one of your biggest editions so far.
Absolutely.
Please share with me the highlights of the event.
So this is one of the largest edition, not only at this venue but also from the time that we have been organizing the shows. It's spread over 35,000 square meter of space. We have more than 530 brands displaying the technologies and innovations over here. This year we have participants from over 14 countries who are exhibiting and around 150 new innovations that are launched at this exhibition. So main, I would say the highlights are you have the entire chain for a pharma fraternity, starting from an analytical instruments to laboratory technologies which are used for research and pharma machinery which is processing and packaging. So complete line from sourcing for your research requirements to the end line of packaging, everyone is present over here. We have delegations that are coming from the SAARC, the Middle East, Latin America and plus from 70 countries overall. So we have visitors coming overall at the show.
Oh, wonderful. So as you mentioned, this event is covering the entire value chain for the pharmaceutical, life sciences, packaging industry and even the India laboratory technology industry. So what kind of innovations do you believe are on display here? Because I can see a lot of touch and feel and a lot of on the go initiatives happening here. So what are kind of things happening here?
So there are, if you see, we have something called as a innovation launch pad, which we have something displayed outside. I think you should have a look. So there, like I said, there are 150 new innovations that exhibitors have launched at this platform. And they have come up with technologies which are more on the automation, more on digitization, which is the trending topic now, especially in this segment. Apart from that, we also have introduced something like a software pavilion. So these software companies have specific, I would say, equipment that are used for the research, which makes the research work efficient. So we have a new pavilion that displays this. So there are quite a lot of innovations that you will be able to see across in the halls.
Amazing. And finally, what are the kind of content that you have lined up in these 3 days?
So apart from the exhibition, we have something called as our conferences, which we do across all the 3 days, and they are catering to different topics which are the critical ones currently for the industry. Apart from that, we also have something for the academia industry, which is Career Connect, which takes place tomorrow, which addresses your final year PhD students, your fraternity who are going to be the future for tomorrow, right? So we have a specific program for them. and they are being taught or updated about what are the latest requirements that they would face once they enter this industry. So we are not only addressing people who have businesses already in the segment, but also the future who is going to come into this industry now.
Wonderful. We wish you all the very best for your continued success. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Ankur Joshi from Hexagon Product Development Private Limited, and we are the manufacturer of Alfie 3-dimensional tumbler mixer. So this is the Alfie 3 mixer that you can see. These mixers are used for homogeneous powder mixing of different powders, and we supply these kind of mixers to more than 47 countries nowadays. And these mixers are ideally used in pharmaceutical industries and food industries, and wherever the powder is there, so this mixer is required for the homogeneous mixing of powders. Thank you.